Okay, start with a little zance, number one. Number two, we're gonna start out with our skin prep. I'm using glycolic and hyaluronic acid. Then I'm going in with the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Primer. Love this. Applying that all over. Now I'm applying my foundation and a little bit of color, no, a little bit of SPF to some foundation. Took off my earrings and I'm blending this all around with a stippling brush. I've really been loving that lately. So next up, this is my center color, center color, center color. This is not a highlight color. Stop doing that. It doesn't look good. So I went from my base color to my center color and I'm blending that. Now I'm going in with my highlighter. This is gonna go in my under eye and anywhere where I have shadows or hollows. So now blending that all out with a beauty blender with a little bit of a setting spray kind of concoction. This is the first powder. This powder is more close to my skin tone and I'm using that with a fluffy brush and I am tapping it all over, nice and complete from cream to powder. Now I'm going in with the center color and that's a little bit more of a pale color mixed with my skin tone, not too stark and not too dark. And I'm blending that all over my center, anywhere where I have shadows or hollows, and it's gonna make my face look amazing. Try this technique, it works. If you have any more problems, book a one-on-one with me. Like, they're totally affordable and beneficial. Bye.